Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today we will be going to do another NahamCon CTF challenge, and this time we will going to do again a warm-up challenge and it is called 91. So the name is almost the hint, but actually again someone who doesn't know how to solve it, I'll going to show you how to solve these sort of challenges as easy as possible. So that being said, let's jump in. Now coming to the challenge right over here, 91, it says that I found some more random gibberish text. Why are there so many these files? And so on. Now this is the string or a random characters which we need to somehow decrypt, and we need to get the flag. Now this actually, as the challenge name looks like 91, I don't know whether the hint is giving us some interesting thing or no. So first thing first is we need to figure out that what sort of hash is this. So we can try to do some different random guesses because 91 is the main keyword right over here. So the first thing which I can do is I can come over here and I can go to different sort of websites. So like first one is CyberChef. So CyberChef will normally give me most of the algorithms to decrypt. So let's try to paste this string over here and let's try to decrypt this one. So copy, and I will paste it over here. Now I will try to see whether there are any encoding schemes which are having a keyword of 91. So I will simply type in 91 over here and let's see what do we have. So in 91 I don't see anything. So if I type in by random, so 9 T, nothing interesting over here. So I don't think so that I can try anything interesting here. So if I'm not having anything, I can try to do any random stuff like base 64 or any base. So if I try to do base 64, where it is, this one, so I need to convert from base 64. So base 64, and we don't get anything interesting. Then I can try base 45, just trying different random things. I don't know what actually is the main thing. 85, invalid character. So base all of these, 62, nothing. Then base 45 is also done, nothing. 32, nothing at all. So this is the first side which can help you in these sort of situations, but right now we cannot do anything. So the other one is code.fr, I believe. So I don't know exactly what is the full name, but let's see. Or I believe it is not code.fr. I think so it is decode.fr, or let's do decode and let's see what happens. Yeah, I think so it was decode.fr. So let me try to do it again. So decode.fr, and let's see what we get now. Yeah, that is this one. So I just forgot the name. So right here, this one is again an amazing site to actually decrypt these sort of things. So what I will be going to do is right here it says cipher identifier. So it will try to identify different sort of ciphers. Okay, so I will simply paste my string over here and then I will say analyze, and it will try to analyze this string and it will give us some possible situations that which sort of things these are. And right away in just the first one, it's saying this is base 91 encoding. So the other thing which this website does very well is that if I just click on this one, or if I open this link in a new tab, it will show me the base 91 decoder. So I can just quickly paste my string over here and I can simply click on decrypt, and there you go, we have the flag. So this was the challenge. Actually these sort of decoding websites are amazing. The other one which is extremely well is Dencode as well. So let's try to do this on Dencode as well, and let's see. So CyberChef, Decode, Dencode, and these three are the main ones. Then we have some GitHub tools which we need to install locally onto our system or on a Docker container, and then do that one. So if I paste that string over here, let's see what happens. And this website is again unable to decode. So again, whenever you are trying these sort of things, try to go to each and every website, click on every Google link and try to find out the flag, and that's how it works. So this is the flag right over here, and that was the challenge. So that was all about this video. Hopefully you will like it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.